Myself Santosh Korule. I am a faculty of UPSC coaching institute, that is Pratibha Civils Academy, located in Vijayawada, Kannur Road. It is a very nice academy which provides study ambience to prepare UPSC examination and having good infrastructure related to residential hostels as well as gymnastic gyms, playgrounds, every facility which is needed to develop overall personality of students needed, they provide. And I feel immense proud to be the part of this institute. Mr. Director Garu, Sudhakar Jampana sir, is always support students to prepare UPSC, and his immense support makes sure that students keep doing hard work. And without hesitation, you can join this institute and start preparing for UPSC. Thank you very much.